The desert tortoise, Gopherus agassizi, is a remarkable and emblematic reptile indigenous to the arid and semi-arid regions of the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. These tortoises are distinguished by their iconic, dome-shaped shells, which can range in color from pale tan to deep brown, blending seamlessly with their arid surroundings. Their physical adaptations to desert life include robust legs equipped with sharp claws, perfectly suited for digging deep burrows, and a characteristic head shape that allows them to efficiently consume a variety of desert vegetation. One of the most notable aspects of the desert tortoise is its burrowing behavior. These reptiles are skilled excavators and use their strong limbs and sharp claws to create subterranean refuges known as burrows. These burrows serve as essential shelters, providing protection from extreme desert temperatures, both scorching in the summer and frigid in the winter. By utilizing these burrows, desert tortoises can regulate their body temperature and avoid the harshest elements of their arid environment. Dietary adaptability is another key feature of desert tortoises. Their herbivorous diet consists primarily of desert vegetation, including grasses, wildflowers, succulent plants, and even cacti. Remarkably, desert tortoises can derive most of their water requirements from the plants they consume, a crucial adaptation for survival in water-scarce environments. Desert tortoises are celebrated for their longevity, with some individuals living for several decades and potentially exceeding 80 years of age. Their slow growth, late sexual maturity, typically around 15 to 20 years, and relatively small clutches of eggs contribute to their slow reproductive rate. Consequently, conservationists and researchers consider these tortoises to be species of particular concern due to the challenges they face in maintaining healthy populations. The conservation status of desert tortoises is complex. They are classified as a threatened species under the U.S. Endangered Species Act due to several significant threats. These include habitat loss resulting from urban development, habitat fragmentation, destruction of their burrows, and threats posed by off-road vehicle use. Invasive plant species can also reduce the availability of the natural food sources. Furthermore, desert tortoises are vulnerable to diseases, including respiratory tract infections. Disease outbreaks can decimate local populations, making disease monitoring and management a critical component of conservation efforts. These unique reptiles are considered keystone species within their ecosystems. Their burrows provide shelter for a variety of other desert animals, from burrowing owls to kit foxes. Additionally, they play a crucial role in seed dispersal, with seeds from the plants they consume passing through the digestive systems, contributing to desert plant diversity. Conservation initiatives aimed at protecting desert tortoises include the establishment and management of protected areas, the creation of wildlife corridors to connect isolated populations, and educational programs to raise awareness about their significance and the threats they face. In essence, the desert tortoise is not merely a symbol of resilience in the face of harsh desert conditions, but also a critical component of the fragile desert ecosystems they call home. Conservation efforts are essential to secure their place in the natural heritage of the American Southwest and to protect the unique adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth.